Already got my mirror off, but all it is these two Allen bolts, and unplug the heater wires out of it and the motor. The reason I'm replacing this mirror because it's got a lot of delamination. You can see it all over the mirror, and it's where the back coating on the mirror is coming off. This is a Roscoe 8912 Delta, and I have a new piece of glass for it. All I had to do was pull down on this right here to separate it from the glass, and then peel the glass off. I just peeled it off real gently. There I am. Hey YouTube. Anyway, on the back side you can see there's a little bit of adhesive still right there. So I just pulled it off real gently, and this is what I was left with. I cleaned up these pieces right here, these four corners. That's where it had most adhesive. There was a little bit of adhesive here, and a little bit of adhesive here. And that's what it looks like, the motors. And I'm getting ready to install the new piece of glass. And here is my replacement glass. And I do want to make sure that this is a convex mirror because it's on the bottom. The top mirror is supposed to be flat, bottom mirror is supposed to be convex. So I do want to verify that I have a convex mirror. And my replacement mirror did come with 4 new adhesives to put on the back, and I'm gonna look around the shop, see if I can find some rubber cement, and I'll add a little bit of rubber cement, contact glue, whatever you want to call it, to the back of the mirror as well, just for a little extra retention. I did have to use a razor knife to take the backing off of it, and I'm just kind of reaching my finger in there and pressing real good because it is plastic, and I don't want to break the mounting surface, the housing. So I'm just giving it a good pinch right there, making sure I got good contact. And I definitely will put some other kind of adhesive to help hold it on there. I don't trust just these little adhesive stickers. Just pay attention during your install. It says top right there. It says top. I have my label still, so I'm going by my part label there, and make sure that I install the mirror correctly. And I just use some 3M gasket maker as my extra adhesive, and I'm just hoping that it doesn't react with the coating on the mirror. This is a trial and error process because I didn't have any rubber cement or contact glue. Let's just hope for the best. So what I'm going to attempt to do is put it under that lip before I put it down. So I'm going to try to insert it under this lip right here before I put it down, so that I know that it'll be properly aligned when I get down to this end. And for the mirror install, I did put some gloves on, try to keep my mirror a little bit cleaner, even though I have to clean it anyway because the bubble wrap put little spots all over it. So anyway, that's what I'm going to do. I'm just doing this in the shop, and I don't have a tripod or anything for a camera, so I'm going to stop the video here as I do my install, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. Okay, and so I wasn't trying to break it, but what I did to try to help set the corners is I pushed on this end and the opposite end up here. Just kind of lightly pressed on those. Same, I did this end and this end at the same time to try not to flex that mirror too much, and hopefully I was able to give it enough pressure that it won't move, and this thing will be securely mounted. And I hope that helps somebody else out there that's never done this before. This is my first time ever doing one, and I couldn't find a video, so I figured I'd make a video and post it online. Thanks for watching. Now, I'm actually going to let mine sit overnight to help that gasket maker dry and hopefully give a little more adhesive to the mirror. But basically, they're just going to reconnect that harness there, put these two back here, tighten them down, and you will be good to go. And I should have known that was going to fall off. No damage. We are good. All right, thanks guys. Thank you for joining me on my first instructional video. This is very new for me. Hopefully it doesn't aggravate you guys too much trying to follow along, and my camera skills are definitely lacking, but I appreciate you guys following along. Hope it helps someone, and maybe I'll put another video if I can't find a video on how to do it, and I'll try to do another install video, help you guys out any way I can. All right, bye-bye.